There's something that I've been chasing since I was a kid. So far, I finish every year somehow feeling no closer than when I started. For the longest time, I've wanted to change that. So several weeks ago, I bought some last-minute flights out of Canada. I'm leaving my family in the snow at home in the hopes of this year finally finding it.
Was right in front of your eyes. You missed another sunrise.
I came here with some friends, both new and old, and the beauty is we've made zero plans. Each day we're waking up with the sun and just finding a new place to go hike or a new beach to sit at.
When everything you wanted, you had the whole damn time.
Matt's been saying for years that I have to come to Hawaii and hike.
Yes, the must.
The must.
And now you're here.
To love it when it's gone away. All you ever know is how to love something that's gone now. To love it when it's gone away. Can you tell me now, where did we go wrong?
I was really enjoying the exploration of it all, and just the excitement that comes from being in a new spot and spending some quality time with good friends. But in the downtime, my thoughts always returned to the chase and just the same problem that I met with every year.
I think it's sunny. I don't know why I'm wearing a hat. That's rain. Be rain, like right now.
Now we go down.
Now we go down.
For me, I visualize the months that we move through in a year like a progress bar that's slowly filling up for each year of life lived. And it's when we hit that last month of the year, I'm a little embarrassed to admit it, but this is the time of year that I can only fall asleep with headphones in. I need noise. Because you see, I think a message that I heard a lot as a kid was don't worry what other people think. But a message that I didn't hear enough, and one that I surprisingly find myself struggling with every year, is what to do about what I think about myself. Because you see, when December comes and I'm lying in bed at night, I can't help but ask myself the question, am I doing enough? And with every year that goes by, the way that I talk to myself is not getting any kinder. And December is when it's the worst.
This is like 70% of what I've been doing. Just sitting.
I've never really found it straightforward to piece together a thread or a train of thought to describe why specifically I find the end of the year so challenging mentally. But I think a lot of it is rooted in this feeling of untapped potential. That at the end of the days, the weeks, the months, the years, more than I would like was left on the table. This inner sense that there's a more virtuous version of me that I'm supposed to be living as, but I just keep falling short. When it comes time for reflection, I long for this simple confidence that on more days than most, I showed up and gave my best. But when another year comes to an end, I feel again that it's not true. I started this by saying there's a thing I've been chasing since I was a kid. And in a lot of ways that has felt kind of intangible to me. But I think it can best be described as the peace that comes from knowing that you truly did your best. I mean, acknowledging the flaws of the human condition, acknowledging that, there's going to be imperfections, there's going to be failures, but truly feeling that my desire for virtue was followed by the appropriate amount of action. I came to Hawaii hopeful because for the first time in my life, I was starting December trying to get ahead of the hardest month of the year for me. Pausing instead has forced me away from the busyness I normally distract myself with. Pausing has removed me from the noise I normally numb myself with, and as a result, I'm left experiencing these feelings more intensely than I ever have before. If you are someone who feels in any way the same, that feels what you are chasing is not getting any closer, that is frustrated to yet again be working on the same shortcomings year over year, if you feel grateful to live another day yet still guilty for the ways you hold yourself back, I hope that you can be comforted by a reminder that you are not alone in that feeling.
Do you think that's too much to ask?
What?
To be kind to myself?
Oh, like love yourself like you would love your child or your spouse or like someone that you want to take care of, someone that you're in charge of taking care of.
Know my heart's where it belongs. Place I knew all along. As the days they roll on by, I can see it in your eyes, don't wanna go. But I know this is right where